The Cisco User Agent monitors a Microsoft Active Directory domain controller and sends user login and log-off information to the Firepower Management Center. A complete user agent configuration includes the following: a computer with a user agent installed. For security reasons, we recommend you install a user agent on a computer in the Active Directory domain and not on the Active Directory domain controller. A connection between the management center and the user agent computer. A connection between each management center to the monitored Active Directory domain controller. Note that one user agent monitors activity on one domain controller. Multiple user agents can report user activity to one management center. The following are among the events the user agent reports to the management center. User login. A user logs into a computer with an IP address not associated with a username the last time the user was seen. User login events occur whether the user logs in directly to a workstation or uses remote desktop. User log-off occurs when a user logs out of an IP address. User log-off events are reported to the management center at a configurable interval, not immediately after a user logs off of a computer. New user identity. A one-time event that occurs the first time a username is associated with an IP address. Delete user identity occurs after a management center administrator deletes a user identity. For more information about the user agent, see the Firepower User Agent Configuration Guide on cisco.com. This video walks you through setting up the user agent connection on the Firepower Management Center and viewing user activity. Before you follow the steps in this video, you must set up Active Directory, install and configure the user agent software on a domain computer, configure both the user agent computer and the Active Directory domain controller, allow a connection from the user agent by entering it as a user source, log into the Firepower Management Center and click System, Integration, Identity Sources. Click User Agent, then click New Agent, and enter the user agent computer's host name or IP address. Click Add. Click Save. Now you can connect from the user agent to the Firepower Management Center. Configure the user agent to communicate with the Firepower Management Center and with Active Directory. Here is a glimpse of the user agent configuration, but this does not cover the complete configuration steps. See the Firepower User Agent Configuration Guide for the detailed requirements and steps. After the connection is set up, generate some activity on the network by logging in and out from the Active Directory. You can then view the activity in the Firepower Management Center by clicking Analysis, Users, User Activity. This example shows new user activity when two users first log into the network and user login events that accompany those. Finally, a deleted user activity is displayed after a Firepower Management Center administrator deletes a user from the Firepower system and not from the Active Directory by clicking Analysis, Users, User Activity. This action deletes the user only from the Firepower system, and the user can log into the system again and be reported in the future.